All right, you ready? It definitely feels good to be home, that's for sure. Weather means you guys. Oh. Huh? The weather? Which does it? The weather? Oh, you want? Okay. Come on, you got the timer? All right. All right, 42 seconds. Whenever you're ready. Hey, what's up, fam? Welcome to day 103, and just checking in with you. We just landed here in Hawaii, back home, and it feels good to be home, but it feels better to be out getting it in. So, hey, just checking in with you. Hopefully you got yours in. If you did, hit me with a hashtag, Rick Ray Point. Let me know what you did. And before I forget, I want to welcome all the new viewers and subscribers to the channel. If this is your first time here, hey, this channel is all about positivity, motivation, inspiration, getting it in, moving the body every day. It's also about a run the year 2021, where we're going to post every day till we get to 2021 miles this year. So if you're about that mission of moving your body every day, this channel is definitely for you. And let me know. Give me a comment down below. And if you get value out of it, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. And that's all we got. Oh, yeah, of course, you know, I got those push-ups in. That's a mainstay. So with that, invest in yourself, invest in your health. First time here, or you're back, again, hit that subscribe button right there. Okay, talk to you tomorrow.